boat on the oxygenarium. Oxygenarium. As you can see, this is a mighty lift hill. What is it?
A mighty lift hill.
No meaty rollbacks, though. This is true. We have no meaty anti-rollbacks today. But we do have a hell of a lift hill. Just playing around with my camera now.
Cute.
Yeah, here we are. We are on a log flume. We are on a life raft.
We are on a life raft.
Willy Wonka, the amazing chocolate.
I hate these with a passion.
That smells nice. Are we ready?
Not really.
It's very wet. Let's see how this goes. We're going to spin. Or not. Oh god. Oh, here we go. Oh my god, we're spinning. I have no idea where we're going. Oh, hello, Poppy.
Ow! That hurt. Badly.
Oh god. Is this the big one?
Oh no.
Oh,
No.
Oh, we did okay there.
And that was
I just got a faint spattering.
the oxygenarium.
No, yeah.
At Parc Asterix.
Well, there we go. Oh, now we just got a jolly little boat ride, don't you know?
Oh, so.
Oh, so it's better than Storm Surge.
Well, yeah.
Because you haven't been on Storm Surge.
Exactly.
I mean, it leaks less than Storm Surge.
Is it worth a £6 fast pass? Probably not.